What is up, guys? I found this album on in my car, waiting for someone. So I thought I'd give it a try out just for you guys. And this is the start of the CD. This is a CD for WWE Raw about 10 years ago. And the first song is John Cena! John Cena sucks. So, number 1 is John Cena. So, coming down the road with this song would be funny. Number 2 is Stone Cold Steve Austin, brother. Stone Cold, give me a hell yeah. Number 3 is The Rock. So I'll just listen to the radio one, BBC Radio 1. The Rock was on there talking and all that, and they were talking about WrestleMania. But number 4 is The Game, Triple H. Epic song, love this song. Number 5 is Shawn Michaels. I think I'm cute. I'm now I'm sexy. I got the moves. That was high. I'm just a sexy cut. I make you angles up. No, he went at Hall of Fame and sexy cut. Number 6 is The Undertaker. Goosebump City. Number 7 is Vince McMahon. Number 8 is Batista. I loved this guy when he was wrestling. Number 9 is Evolution song. Evolution. Number 10 is One, two, check. You just made the list. Chris Jericho's song. Number 11 is Bang! Mick Foley. Number 12 is Travis. Number 13 is Rey Mysterio. Number 14 is It's gotta be Kane. Long entrance. Yeah. You get the picture in a minute. Number 15 is DX. Suck it. 16 is Melina or Eminem. Number 17 is Mr. Kennedy. Number 18 is Shane McMahon. Love this song. Here comes the money. Number 19 is Randy Orton. I hope you like this video. Leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.